Welcome to Rude Machine's Week 4 updates, and I call Week 4 the breakthrough week in which I was able to do a lot more and I was very productive. 6 more weeks to go. Rude Machines is a Unity WebGL 2021.3 URP project, which is a fast-paced arena FPS game, and the emphasis is on active enemy or AI design, in which I was stuck for quite some time, and finally I was able to, let's say, get to some point where it looks really cool and things are working as intended. So let's move on. Here are the additions and changes for this week. Krister added new bot AI or state, which is basically a float bot that's shooting, right? And then there's also this thing that he added shooting muzzle flash for the float bot, of course. Lee Zhang added a Roomba bot. It is work in progress, and you can also see it on the right side. It's in Blender, as you can clearly see. Yeah, it's work in progress. It's using the same purple color as the float bot. Claim added background music, and that is also work in progress. And I added pickup, which is work in progress. Damage indicator, damage effect, destroy particles, detect trigger, patrol state, motion blur, game manager, which is work in progress. Stuck timer, but stuck timer, yeah, or you can say freeze timer, plasma ball, and the impressive thing is that there is massive progress on the state manager and states. So it's game time, and let's check out the game. Here is the Unity project, and let's just roam a little bit so you can see what's going on. Here's the what do you call it, mother drone, and this is the path for the mother drone. It is using petrol state, and it simply moves, loops basically, using these points on the space. And then there is the amazing float bot, or you can say medium float bot. Let's just turn off the stuff so you can clearly see what's going on here. Right? It has this conical vision for detecting the player, and then it attacks with one of the weapons. Of course, you can't see it, it just shoots plasma balls. Here's the game. I click play, and there is the mother drone detecting the enemies. If or actually the player. If the player comes in it, then it will release some of the what do you call it, the drones that are revolving around this mother drone, right? And it's actually following the points, as you can clearly see. And dang, what's going? Oh, dang it! I'm inside. I'm gonna go and whoa, something is happening. Yeah, as you can clearly see, now I'm fighting, and some drones are behind me. Let me just attack them. There you go. And I can also fight them, and they're whoa, it's much more harder than before. And there are some cool explosions as well, because why not? And here we go, detected me, and it's shooting the plasma balls. And yeah, it's really cool. I'm loving what's happening here, and especially this entire thing that it just detects and throws some of the drones down there to attack us, and we just and they just self-destruct. They come and destroy, right? And it actually reduces our health. And there is this damage indicator around the screen, as you can see the red particles around the screen. Let me just show it to you. He's gonna shoot, and as you can see, the red particles, and the health slowly regenerates back, right? Which is why those red particles slowly goes off. And whoa, he's gonna shoot, and let's actually die. How about we die? There you go. So the game is over, and the scene just restarts. That is how it is for the time being, but of course we will improve it further, and we will add some sort of delay. Right now we can't even click play after losing, so we have to turn it off and turn it on. But before turning it on and off, let me just show you how this state manager and states thing work. It's really intuitive, in my opinion. Basically, if I go to drone, as you can see, it has this state manager which has uh, this state detector pairs, right? And when one detector detects something, then a state runs based on that. And of course, the priority is the top one, and priority decreases as it goes down the array. If there is no mother drone, then it simply goes on to charging the player. That means if you destroy the mother drone without destroying all the drones around that mother drone, all those small drones will go on and attack you at the same time, which is crazy. Yeah, you definitely don't want to destroy mother drone before you reduce the amount of small drones. Basically, it's some sort of behavior tree, but without behavior tree, really. Like we define the tasks and states, and then combine them in a state manager in the detector pair detect a state pair, right? Something like that. I think it's a very cool pattern to do stuff. Anyways, let me just play the music that claim it. That is what I call dark ambience. It really suits the game actually, right? And then there is some other tunes going on in the middle as well, adding variation to the background music. I think it is really cool. So I go here, detects and throws some drones, and if it goes near, it destroys. But if I destroy them, then well, it doesn't do much. And there it is. They shoot the plasma bombs, and whoa, whoa, oh, okay, that's getting crazy. Just a minute. So basically, there's this damage as well, cool explosions going on, and yeah. Actually, I was forgetting something, and I totally realized what is it that I was forgetting. I was forgetting the Abhishek's sound that I've improved, and it's integrated now, and you can hear it as well. So now I'm gonna click on mute audio so that you can hear the Unity audio. Oh, I somehow survived. Wait a sec. Wait a sec. So yeah, you heard the sound. Now I'm gonna mute it. And yeah, I'm finally liking the game. Finally liking my own game. Uh-oh. I get terrifying shots. And that shooting is done by Krister, right? And it's really cool. The spread shooting. Yeah, please detect me. Shoot. Let me just destroy you. Haha. How cool is that? And one more thing. Yeah, destroy yourself, please. Okay. So if I destroy the mother drone before, let's see what happens. Okay, mother drone is pretty healthy, like it has a lot of health, hit points, you can say. Whoa! You can't see what's going on right now. Yes, that is what I was trying to tell. Yeah, I mean you can handle them somehow. Oh no! Oh, there, the player's dead. Yeah, I really love that. I really loved, this week's progress. For the next week, we are going for the rocket frag one wheeler bot meshes, right? And Roma is work in progress by Lees, so yeah, he will probably do it. And as for the code, there is the debug spawning for quick testing, still work in progress. There's also the spawn patterns, like we have to make some sort of spawner or basically spawn manager. And as for sounds, there is the player projectile shooting sound and float bot shooting sounds. Of course, there's a lot of shooting going on, but we can't hear it, which is not really cool. So definitely sounds are a must. And of course, this week we are gonna do WebGL tests and some play testing as well. Yeah, I would like to get some feedback. As for the scope cuts, yeah, we're gonna cut some scope because, well, there's a lot on our plate. um, yeah, UFO boss is now removed. It's no longer gonna be there, and I guess 5 enemies are enough. The last one is pretty clear, one wheeler bot, and the fourth one is Roma, fourth and fifth. Thank you for your contributions and for watching the updates. Um, I'm happy, very happy that I was able to break through and do a lot of stuff this week. And that's it. Until next time, goodbye and stay happy.